Welcome to today's episode of the Kitchen Prescription YouTube channel. Today we're making small batch quick cinnamon rolls with cherries and a lemon cream cheese icing. You don't want to miss it. This is the perfect use for summer cherries. This is also the perfect recipe for 2 persons. Here are the ingredients you will need. Begin by mixing together the dry ingredients, milk, vanilla, and butter mixture. Mix together well, then knead the dough for about 5 minutes. While your dough is resting, make the lemon cream cheese icing. Now roll your dough into an 11 by 7 rectangle. Spread a thin layer of soft butter, add your cinnamon sugar and cherries. Tightly roll, then slice. Bake at 450 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Cool 10 minutes, frost, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.